Hello viewers, please I would like you to watch this video. The woman you see in the video is from South Sudan. But listen to her first, then we'll come back to analyze what she said.
So someone is asking me if I'm from Igbo, Biafra, in Nigeria. From the time I shot the other video in my language and I was saying Bia 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 Bia. So the meaning of Bia Bia is like, because I was calling like my people to come, my South Sudanese people of my tribe to come here, so that they get to understand that I belong to them and I speak the language. So Bia Bia mean come, like all of you come. It has brought some attention. I've been seeing Nigerian commenting like, why are you saying Bia Bia? What is the meaning of Bia Bia? Who told you Bia Bia? So I don't know if Igbo people say Bia Bia, but what is the meaning in the comment section? Let me know. I don't know if it means the same thing, but our Bia Bia is come, like all of you come. You come here, you get like come here. That's the meaning of Bia or Bia Bia Bia. So you can actually say Bia, and when it's people are many, right? When people are many, you say Bia Bia. But if it's one person, you can say Bere. So if it is many people, you say Bia Bia. So it means like how do I say it in English? It means English has left me. So whatever it is when you're calling many people Bia Bia. So no one taught me it is my mother tongue, like the language I speak in South Sudan, and it means come. So if you are Igbo and you are from Nigeria, Igbo. If you are Igbo and you are from Nigeria, please let me know what it means Bia Bia. Does it have the same spelling too? Because ours is BIA, right? So you guys are actually typing the same, so it's definitely the same spelling. So let me know what it means in your language. And yes, if it's the same Bia Bia, then you guys just know that maybe you left from South Sudan, definitely. Just the same way you were from South Sudan and they are now in other East African countries. So anyway, I'm not.
Do you realize she was saying Bia 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 Bia, and we Igbo use Bia Bia, and the Bia she was saying, she was using it to say come, just like we Igbos. We say come when the expression or the word Bia means come. And she's from South Sudan. So based on this, I'm beginning to look at if there is an ancestral link or it's just a mere coincidence. Because our people travel wide. You understand? Yes, in the past, I've seen people languages with the same words, but different meaning. But in this case, Bia in Igbo, Bia in that South Sudan language. And it's like some people have contacted her or are commenting on her wall and she's reacting. You can see she's reacting to that. Please, if you are Igbo in South Sudan, you can help us link up with her so that we know, we try to explore further the relationship. Yes, I know there are Igbos in South Sudan. If you see this video, or if you are still from her ethnicity in South Sudan, please, we'd like to try and connect with her. We want to know why Bia in Igbo language is same as Bia in her own language. I remember we belong to a group in Ndenaso Bia. Our work is to link up Ndenaso Bia with each other. So my question is there any link, ancestral link, or is it as a result of migration? Maybe Igbo people migrated there, just like we find in Bayako, Equatorial Guinea. What do you think? Now, there are about 600 ethnicities in that South Sudan, 600 of them. And among these 600, the popular ones are Bari, Zande, and Noah. They are widely spoken. And among these three tribes, these ones that I mentioned, they don't use Bia. I don't think they use Bia as come. But we will continue to explore further. If you are there, please help us in this work. It's not hard. It's for you to comment on the comment section. Maybe you are living close by to these people who are using the same word for come, just like the Igbo people. And By the way, these South Sudan languages do not belong to the Niger Congo. So why this, there's a correlation? Tell us what you think and add to the comment section. Please share this video widely. You know my work now. Igbo Area TV, speaking for Ndi Igbo, celebrating Ndi Igbo, talking about Ndi Igbo, linking up Ndi Igbo. That is our work. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you have not subscribed. I am Azuka OJ. Bye for now.